in this case, he made the approach stating that he is the operations manager of Kotoko, which is false. He is not. Technically,
yeah, sure.
He is not. So Kotoko as a brand, as somebody about Bontin said, Sheshla may be one of our numerous supporters. But the title or acting upon Educo Tria bribe no, and your title any dia. So Kotoko as a club will instantly make the whole world know that we might know Sheshla to be a fan of Kotoko. You don't know Kotoko team no one or do Kotoko team next year or Doma Kotoko. But in this case, he acted as an operations manager. But the reality is, so we should commandment members of our present to GFA. He is not part of it. On count. It's your honest let the baby no matter more floor. Now the word of Sheshla, who defrauded by false pretense. Can I say bueno? A quack person question and teach you Nibia. Or the two just said Nanado, obey me the Omako, obey me the shake our tiny back on Nanado. Maybe the reality is that question and teach me the shake our tiny Nanado. But technically, it's false. In the instant, the presidency had released by Bonti Maria Senior who said, na question and teach us some more kind, or you saw a man penny din keke, and I know did it to me. So Kotoko have to bring a release. Now we are seeing who said, Sheshla you sue the title as an operations manager of Kotoko, Eddie Diniduma, and Yanadia. That's what Kotoko didn't work for him. But if up to this time, now what confer be beyond by it speaks against the motion of Kotoko defending themselves in this particular case. Because there were Kotoko chita for baby da. Omutimi ko dunsini ho. Omukọ asofo ho. Ebi obiari baby anji de omukọ malam for ho. Ede Kotoko din kwaya ade. Seeking favor to help Kotoko win a game. Asamba, the Kotoko can say look, and you me and I'm a smart and so uncle. And you man remember the call. He did not act in an official position of Kotoko in the final. Silence says that the end of But Ken, that is the technical aspect. Now let's look at the reality. Reality, no, you say, because Ken, you call law court and I call quarter. We deal with technicalities. But I know the technicalities in the age, man. It will be a lack of evidence, technicalities. But maybe the reality is Nipana no boy. So that is the technical aspect of Kotoko meeting the channel. I was expecting Kotoko by now, send Komechi Chomo. No me Sheshla, na kwa Sheshla kwa. But this is the reality. Sheshla no bi obenya 8,000 Ghana cedis dia kwa koma referee say onboa Kotoko ma Kotoko nse. So one kasan, we are talking reality. Maka technicality we me can reality. The that one kasan. We need say scam. So the koma referee. And in some of our audio technically Kotoko betime defend. But the reality is Obiam says Sheshla by Dr. Kwame. That is the reality number 2. The reality again is your man members of us and take community access to Dr. Kwame. Omunya access to him, but Sheshla access to Dr. Kwame. Reality. So when you are looking at the alleged issue, you are looking at the audio near there. You can't hear Kotoko betime defend when I save the image of Kotoko. Me abesha asem na nka say down. 1. Sheshla benya 8,000. Etnia go to Dr. Kwame Chedin without any form of backing, without any form of authority, without any form of link to Dr. Kwame Chedin. But there is a huge power behind him. Enough confidence to embark on that particular negotiation. So Benya says kind of the first place because you cannot want me show him one for. It mean can't nisika 7 yard. But the reality is so many 8,000 Ghana cedis. Now what time bottom ska. Now they are called I any penny be the Yamashishla. Let's face the fact. Unya says can.
Only 8,000 which in the Kotoko.
Free.
No India which mean about.
How can you?
Then I can't
say Kotoko now.
No one can say 8,000 without any link in some kika audio link behind now. There's technical issues. Technical issues. But so be no be shower bonte no more can some now. The same nan touch the also up to date intimi fan court to ya. Because Attorney General show any evidence. But any who say nan touch here draft nyoma. Because who so quarter, he will need more than video. But in the streets, in the minds of people, the perception of people, you boy for that. So in the law court, second normalization committee or a court DC, now because of Mushishim into a possible March fiscal scandal. I a Kotoko supporter acting as an operations manager. I in the name of Kotoko. So Kotoko Besha against Asgoda. Kotoko Bedibem. There's no way to make a case no good Kotoko. It's simple. But in the minds of those working around, the image of Kotoko, you goofy. Because there haven't been several times you was a Sheshran Dr. Kwame Chena. There hasn't been several times I said Rako eh. I can't say good Kotoko members who feel. Wako can't say man. Only from official source na benya that back. You won't be brave. It is so jinaso. Asa kase. Dr. Kwame Chena never find free media ma. Na papa na asuma na man is kase. All fan brambe influence game na. He share the money involved. Okay. On the streets, Kotoko unima guase. The image of Kotoko has been highly affected.
So, Doctor Befana fee media.
Yes.
I say or no fee media.
I say
your grandson, Doctor.
Good. Every time I'm saying in I can I make a sending in habit I say no just maybe. Where's an anti no John no nyade. But in the minds of certain people, almost fun say no crack or bet to work for president. But technically, also accepting constitution. But one moment, so technically, a simple issue. But the reality is, since then, yes, come. Oh, yes, I could do no cobo or penny Dr. Kwame Chedi Keke. Even management members of Kotoko. 8 me for Dr. Kwame Chedi and Kwaya, dear Cassie. A brave papa. Yes. Yes.
A brave canal, my I can't one deal. Or more Diana as a club on the Pacific.
Can they make an essay? Say, if a club Nanka say 2 and more, I mean, there's operational budget. Operational budget, same thing to your bride. It's for operations. Wouldn't make us say the Fiabra, but it's for operations. But I make an essay. Even Perusha, or the operations manager of Kotoko. Say, Empo say, Dr. Kwame Chema is camper. That is not how you go about it. So that, and no, Emma, you have to deal with people who are sensible. We are there. For sebi or more. Omujiri kwechiri. Obu on jiri kwechiri na adwen wofom. But you jiri kwechiri. Impo se osuma no hu sa ade na osuma no so nkoye no. Infom so ho asem ba ebetimi apasese a okatakata ba bia. Sani asem ni mpo ba ebetimi ayi ono nko ama ye mfa mfrefra. So if you don't deal with people who are sensible, you get issues like this. Because if you have it, you are perishers car. Some Franco ye bibimbo team the man say. But on the agile baton, Obe making sure say Obe put to the club in a way. I'm just even make a keke. Me has a perisher so. But my friend say impose or quiet sampa. On the agile baton, or the book baton, he will cover his tracks. Oh man, he expose it. And even if Sebe expose the crap, oh man, linking the company, you know. Because every time Bian, I said to your cocoa. Says a kind of woman, and woman or him quandary. The moment on him battle from your defeat. So in every institution, so what can be sensible? We are management, we are paying now, man, sir, on your dirty job. Or yet in such a way, say a paya, a blasty or member blasting manager. But if you pick somebody, Sabi, now you know from her. Obeyama abewie na aba befre kuo ni nyina na kuo ni maguas. Because even if we possess
interior na bema sibia mfa so opanyim bi anye we mo de so opanyim bi tu so bia na adwen wo fom e ma na yesadi
it's the man. It can be management style. Panyin bia on the management style. Because Sisra is not the operations manager of Kotoko. And team possess Dr. Kwame Chama Uska. Okwa akasem ya Kotoko chiteni. Ebia makotwa bet. Ebia mpesa Kotoko se. Mo titafo bia Omi has good for Bessie Salom. It's not me we associated with you. But you don't go and create a story. And for Papa na Timo or down on him be say and crow and crow. And for him be
create a story.
Can I just say can what do you have say no crab crown a cocaine impa? Say you man a koyen e hutimi ba asem. Because I enche na nas exposing referees. Enti referee bia na adwumu da ho bia no only would daily or be careful.
Just a referee, so the matches also record you.
Yes.
almost no delay and almost record.
Almost record. So
and
in case of Bibiano, no, the about Bonti and the about defending.
Once away or the about Bonti.
Yes.
Because one in common, you know, so recording.
No, so and two push I
also hear it.
And any time I send the passes here, oh, make I'm recording, I'm a pay evidence. So you have to be smart. But let's look at the person in code. Is he smart?
I mean, Miss a question, you will say answer a question, but Andy, Grim Kakrena.
Can we who be crime and pass and chat him? First of all, you need him referee for a bribe. Now this can also J.
How much at all?
How much you finance or money? Can one of us be a person? The Mimi Crown is different from the Mukrana. How much
is Cano?
That will be both Sicano or Majato. Ain't Yadiana year in a cotophony because almost acquiring.
Cotophony became
the unfantasy Sibia, Sisalana. Sadiana made a buyer. Yantimian said, one from Adian Bremen. No, I said, Yanis hour. Sicilian, yes, honey. So what you're saying to for sure, or the new money in Ababa, and Tabias can call Yanni. And paying for the video and the recording or the buying in any Sicani near evidence.
Okay, oh, you don't know what saddens me. What saddens me is because our games are good. The massive year when they said players receive 5,000, 4,000, 3,000, 2,005 at the end of the month. Because when it's good, now it's good. First team players, Marco 5 are mobi. These are integral quality. Are making the spine of the team. Or Sekotokutia 15,000 CDs before they beat Ashgold in Obuasi for these players. It is sad. Last week, now I say you discuss issues about Kotoko motivation and strategically. Now you care about money. Okay, I'm starting from a family issue. Kotoko African against Karubanji, home and away. You three are winning bonus them are Kotoko players. Kotoko against Cotton Sport de Garua. The players received winning bonus. Omuko group stage, you know. And then penning for the catch the players and they say. Bet you winning bonus to say the Omutia Cotton Sport Nika Banji now players and they say derby. Omupe qualification bonus. Into Omu agree say Sakotoko ba way match no mu winning $1,000. Omubo no mu winning $700. That was the agreement. Omu see a management for no any pay no mu yi omu. And omu koshi akotoko management no players omu kasai. Sefa kasai. Imot Fempon kasai. Felix kasai. And a host of others. Near Jen the translatee or tree kasam de chile navigator. Any Sonny Yakuba. And a Sonny Yakuba must be almost so kind near Jen so translated or team at the man penny form. In the king, the issue of Yeneska Yama been there on and you're correct. The players agreed of $5,100. So much me a qualify from the group stage. Into name penny for the proposal. And he was the fellas in Kwana Soloko and Umko. In the midst of the players, and Omina agree. It was the opposite. It's the issue about the American winning bonus for African in Tian and you're correct. I'm saying that with all this money, second, per them and my players near $500. Into which I could play a Sudan Aba 25 million. Plus me and that sports hotel. Into salary clear my. The case of calculated because of months some born away against Kariobangi was $400. Against Cotton Sports was $400 per them into $800. Or multiply, I say, you multiply 5 by 8. You are going to get what 40 million for those two games. Omuko away enemy and sa was $1,500 for per them. It's $1,000 in Kwakwe 50 million. Into 75 million. Now the account you are getting closer to 124 million. 12,006. And I got to play a BNI in Africa in that particular order. Against Zesco. Dr. Take catch from just almost me winning match now. Special bonus to let you know. Or some team in $500 million rather. $10,000 for shopping. But let's the issue about yenyere ya ho nti mo Africa na ebo iska ba mo amaye bi no the reality is that it is not true. Now to issue of bribes. Okay, obia obeya disagree say Ghana ha yintua bribe no yemfa na ase de no ntwenchen na che say oni no credit onya na so obeka. Referees je bribe. Teams officials etua bribe. I've been privy to it. Me ma ebia si manim several times. Nti enya bia o kan me disagree. Me metikam me ni club official panin na nam e wa nwan kwanta. E na referees no de pontia vibe blue black e bae. Omu hu me na mi so mbebo shake. Omu ba beje omu envelope white be tena ka ebukoy. Enti enya de se ye be dada ho ni abedi ntro se referees and club official don't pay bribe. Now to the issue of Obed was talking about technical issues and that is a fact. Okay, got our management members. Some do te chebe meeting I do te chaba so so te oho no me tina 5 minutes akasa o. On the meeting yes yes am. And I'm saying that the management members are redundant. Into almost also am message him out again. E dia message no mo dey ba me se me and me tie. Say also say FM I say now when you pass it, can you be a task now? So the message you got, I've been making more film because I'm not part. And again, message you don't want to inform out because she's that voice they were opening her. Management members and no more stadium number is the same way. And none again, and penny for number yes. When you penny for a person of no more running football club. Okay, young fans of the Yan. Mr. Akao, lawyer Safuduko, Nana Omufra Kranaba, Perusha. Ayo chochomucho. But Pia, he's first on the list. King, all these people unbelievable. And again, bribe at the second only answer anything more. Obio your crowdphobia and imaginative power and so. Not just some you go nipa mienu. Yen you be our agenda about beating your uncle. If you want need to be smart. You don't deal with Chesla when it comes to these issues. But the sad aspect is that empanimfo no panina for more no mudi dwuma no ken empanimfo say aka won so don resign panina wa for more no mudi dwuma no ken on fa omo nya hwe and you bypass these people one only she na kwa no experience in the business Mr. Monaka was experience in the business Uncle George Amakwan say mintimenka means no bebe chiri. These are people who lawyer Safudu were experience in the business. If you are dealing with sad people, Ken, you don't deal with Shesla. I'm sad, sir. Shesla has taken over the airways. But that is Kotoko. The Kotoko Abba Femedruno, who can support us and they will be insulting all over. But the Kotoko Abba Femedruno, Ken, Kotoko against 11 1. It's that good. 5 key players didn't play. Or Sako could tier 150 million before they be that good. Who you penny more obey because Kotoko was also African. And with the attitude of the players on the field of play, Ken, so to one it is annoying. So you find ways and means to manipulate. Say the beya Kotoko beti me again. So she born our players na born na ukra olu ebe ho. As a Kotoko nti omuka for 10 years and they don't run. There's no spark, there's no drive. But I was a Kotoko Africa because it's good for Munko. Eduana Unko. And Kotoko when all the finances supporters in Africa come out the and if there is any team in this zone that want to be part and parcel of the Africa, I will say Ekotoko. And again, you always try to find your way through and manipulate, but you don't use Shesla. Yenka says Shesla Ninipa. Yenka says Shesla on to me the baby Makotoko. But at this issue, yeah, Dr. Kwame Chedin Tahon. Dr. Kwame Chedin Tahon.
Also, now one is from
yes. And if there is any response, Dr. Kwame Chedin also responded. I can Mr. Monaco corresponding to the
set him no communication director. Just by now, I sent on both parties in Akasa, on a Dr. Akasa, on a Shishin Akasa. No issue statement.
Can you have a cum crab?
No issue statement.
How rich? Thank you, Binyala, lawyer Safudu Kuachia, and ya. Cocoa management may be no offering better now, Busan of the Canopy. Nanka what Busan said, only Dr. Kwame Chintem, it is say. And also be Shakoto management member Binanko will brief you on Dr. Kwame Chintem. Won't hesitate for a second to tell him they need to resign from the team. It's again, Dr. Kwame Chi, he represents Kotoko. But the point I'm making is that mpanimfoɔ na also ɔmo correspond, they are clueless, they are unaware, they are not part of this business. Ɔmo ni mo hwee, ɔmo nkoka deɛ ɛda kɔtɔkɔ.
Wɔsɛ ɔmo frɛ na ɔmo nya hyehyɛ la ɔbɛka bɛ ɔmo nya kyɛm.
Very fresh.
Say allegations obi yɛ ni referee bɛ yɛ ni egu kɔtɔkɔ anim ase always baabi ɔbɛfa biara yɛsɛ kɔtɔkɔ mpanyinfoɔ ama ana Dr. Kwame Chi ama hyehyɛ lɛsika so nkotua bribe ɔma referee report ni say 15,000 ɔde maa no hyehyɛ la so ɔkɔ no wate bi ama naka 8 nti ɔno ɔde 8 na ɛkɔmɔ ho ti 15 ne kura nso sɛ wate ase nti ɛyɛ akɔ ɛsɛ nipa mmienu na abɔ kɔtɔkɔ korɔ no sɛ wate ase referees na gye 8,000 omo nya adwuma no na 7,000 so de ode ekọ no so ate enti when you issue as by now omanfo teto ese club na issue bibi club na me hu omo position
ke wo ko issue di atam na ne ko e na ko issue bibi asa ni pakro wo voice a sisira na emu omo na to me deny
nti ko tua bra
sa unko to sa sisira didi radio presenter atem da ho na wa no de che sisira. Okay, or call radio so for Katatika, I can play away bribe, what you play away bribe, consult 20 now play away bomb match. And opening of the team, no, if we not Sadium, never know the church. And I'm making my man to be married. He is supposed to be the main person, and also Baby wants a church like. Yes, see, the 150 million man suffer come a referee. Referee to the 10 buy what for 17, okay? And also about, and Andy. And I'm sorry, I know can happen out of Kotoko say, I'm on let them out to remember the bank that particular issue because I'm out of Monfalet and Mrado. Can say,
I confirm you. Case we are quite young, Cabadio.
Okay, Daddy
was kind of cram mention the crane. No, it be answer.
There became Nick and yet in the time. I don't know if my voice is different. Roughly not born a cow, you swap or card and number. And it again, the referee is dealing with evidence.
I mentioned referee.
I started going to Comanche because the Chimaka now say patient manager be protocol. I friend Shishila. As I'm above one of the beginning and chain also some referees for the game. Ali Adasa. So I should let them come down to the team so that they can then talk to them concerning about the match. Timine referees in the Casa and Romeo so Mutim free Tamale. Saturday no Mutim free Tamale and Matachima. Chima Shishila the car by Nizan Gresa, car number AS 2988-18, Chelsea or Bessim Victory or Pamicho Victory, Yanko Tamale, non refugees, Kopasa, near Ko Tamale, Ko Tamale, so any representative to Kosha STC, Poltenberg, accessory, do one discloses can say, yes, they are my refugees. So, also, that game, the winning, some of them are refugees. Near it, back to Techima, 5 million old Tennessee. Chronicle quality Comoro. But the match no friend said, for now, more the match. I tell them that we should bring them to the before no you should be those season in Yamama. You will just kind of up for beyond from 80 million. From Sadio Roma Spicy. Talk to me by in our platform. So we discuss and everything. We discuss on our platform, in the referee platform. We discuss a lot about this. So we should this then choose the evidence. The ground comes here. Another thing. This is what used to be a transportation also on Canada. Then you should keep the money. The discussion on referee so do he doesn't know Shishela everything, but I'm the one who brought Shishela to their side. But if anything, I will tell Shishela that he has to return the money back to me. But my information, Coco, I'll send the accounts number and everything to the referee, so I'll pay that money to his account. Later on, me was teaching man, or more harassing me say, oh, referees need this kind of blame, But I'm not the one who give the money to the referees. I'm just like I say, referees, so you're come up against this guy, he's just a supporter, but it's not the protocol. Fun, he's just a supporter on what kind of best in there. But everybody knows she's that. People call him honorable or drive on the car to the place I caught. You'll be a decision like a manager for Kwame Che, Dr. Kwame Che, because of your in the past, sorry, they know me, Dr. Kwame Che are driving to Kotoko, so he is a member of Kotoko operations. Okay, Kotoko has good match and I'm more wanting. Kotoko has good match now. I wish Kotoko one and one and I can see it. See, I this kind of stone and I will referee in all. I don't know whether they are paid to his account or whether they are paid. And now Okwa is in Techima here, but Okwa is spreading my name that the referees are
giving you the money.
I'm not the one who gives to the referees.
Oh, okay. Okay.
I don't study or some press conference because who do I need to get 2 money now? I'm the retired referee now.
Yeah.
I'm not involved with the normalization committee.
Okay. So when you say obi hu ono mo wo sechi na na omo court amali ana brabo tu edi from Kumasi na wakotechi ma na ma to so court amali and the other say na
And again, the constant name, it's Sheshela. Referees no so magic. No more be at Tonyama.
I also be so o catch omo say we ni say anye yi nti omo famra back and also ba ko catch and say omo you should be there kaka so obi afifi na say
And again, the American nyina say we nipa or your press conference. And you can we there are you true? Dr. Kwame Chey ena kotokono odano. He is a big man. Si ebo Fiorentino Perez. Your body Laurentiis, your Claudio Lotito Ma, you are talking about Dr. Kwame Chey. Only honest mo. Only that kotokwano. Into name management is he is supposed to be the main person kaweke. And can your politics and can press conference are cost
political parties.
Ah, can't go in time now to be Bible say we yana dewa. Obi e clear at least obey message out there to clear his name. Dr. Kwame Chey is not ready to clear his name. It is the better manaka hosa and knowing very well that says like connected and came me Obed at least the people around here you him say since that time all kind of Dr. Kwame Chey for the management members and even the CEO now yakotokono.
That's right.
Yeah, Ken. Obi on say na say adwuma kina me ka say the papa dey wo ya wo nya support obi a be against you but then e kwa bedru baby those who will against you never say na nipa we sa na tie wo say so wo ya de boni obi nya support bebre enche no ma san so agya ho. That is how the world is. King issue ni very simple dey tini Shesela nye operations manager biano so your operations manager. It's any a false pretense, a criminal.
Right.
Because me wahano, me the host of ABR, the sponsor or the host of the morning show, no could be so men and the host, a false pretense, a criminal. Because position no kind, no so. So more be believe it be as a position no kind into no. I did be or why bet me a so be benefit in so no, and they bet me a club no. Because of print a false percent, a criminal. Again. Whether so your operations director and answer onion is not the problem. A human or yen is a punishment. To be in castle on your operations director and this Okotrieske and every no. Bonia wedding one is a false walk like I said, walk up pretending like oh chan tross or you will on your way near what and a two your ye and Ankasamo and also your bonnet. It is Sisela say we operations director so we are Kotoko fan or say Oton and Catios or Oton Deo. The fact that you are going to pay bribe now could you a bribe and I will say a punishment. Can what it must nasi. Who we are third one they say Sisela and Casa on the wine. See a cash Sisela on the wine. Evidence was hot is that Sisela Kotokoni. So are your fan, so are your supporter, so are your married member, or your ex official, or your Kotokoni. Who in Kotoko can say Sisela and your Kotokoni, one a becana, and then on me in a manner. Or your Kotokoni, a evidence or a boho. Shesela anya just kotokoro a big time kotokoni. Iti kotokoni to me nkase enyomo. You can't do over there kana Shesela ya ba Africa. Enyoma bebre ho ye ya na ekoye ma kotokoni na obi ammo andezo. Iti ne wakoya de na enya e wo so mo so protect nti obi ntumi nkase Shesela onye obi ana comedy ama na onji de. Club obi tumi jai koba. Ti said ya mi jai ya me ma ban. Iti kin sa na tie nti Shesela ya kotokoni. Now, yeah, they are not too nchaya. They ain't a bribe and ankasa ye problem. They are problem they say king. Also say obije briber. Your ben say jumana so way. But my main far way first. So obije briber king the first no ben say so obed ni deserve ya. On my obed opportunity no the be mami. yes nti de ono ye competent na onim ade ne ye o ma ne ye o de be ma de onim ye nti at the end of the day obo se be ball ne be wie na ye team ne be kwa Africa na o ma firim eno nti na nde Zambia ne Kenya fo nyina de two teams ye de one ye san te ha na ye de 1963 1942 1978 san ye te ha nti wo be hu na Kenya ene Zambia 14 the 4 no mo ko eye bribe ni ntia because ye kwa ye nkobo bra the champions na and no more who deserve it to go to Africa they don't deserve it okwa obe free it is as simple as that see ye nya world champion wa Ghana ni ye enwoma ye se ye kwa ye beko it is a what the ba mami chance what the ball mine mu kura won say BBS eh road and net down the last 5 years I woni wo beko na say ade bi esia the last 10 years best because bribe na mpanimfo na agentino the omode contract be ma no so onkoye no adwuma no onim ye na de ono nim ye mo bet na nti de bi omo nye ne ye nti de bia ne ye ko nti bribe na ye serious thing enye say e ya agro rough e betumi akunye nyina because what dey okoje bribe or contractor no wanye kwan ya de bia mba hwe ase awu it is not a good thing kin uria esa create gap between the rich and poor in society ebi ameni andi nyina pa adwuma kin ka ebi adwuma no betumi acha ama meni we but because andi twa adwuma ye mienu die nyina de ama ni discan nyina ama etubo se de bia na nkofo ye poor na ebi mo so enye ska but enye sa na ese enti na ye clubs no so obehwe a what I say I say uyi sa two clubs if you are clubs e bebe nyina nto omo edi de bia ye create bibi o de ye bobo no kra na omo deserve kra ese ye ma sa two clubs ye push omo ni nyina ne be kwa kin na ba be high ball again Kotoko management no kin they are making it mini part 2 pen ese omo kan me opinion Mr. Edmond Aka ono ni bom and a meeting wa Accra ni ade e we efe ho ne PLB no beboa and na Kwame Danko ye gentleman bia na engineering but em say imagine the pa is working kai fo nyina yesa nka papa ne pam obia and what are my reasons my reasons in king so we management member no was your management na so what to make us all player motivation akofom na yem pam omo a me madwuma nka won di 3 days so so woni anything about management it is as simple is maybe I won't need anything about because one say nipa motivation kin here had it and yet the same players na Africa and the same players na ball league enko it there is something wrong what is it a bibi so where see already solve it because and yes and you kofa new players crab almost start almost be bedru be the same thing beba it is a obi work and so obi motivation conform as one management or leader they all say you motivate nipa na simple you only motivate one who's a problem in here also what was all manager big like or about to mean so one who's a problem in here so one name problem any different but one say problem any what's a motivation now for so what do we do you motivate them to come up it is all motivate you move you no man to me and there is the needs of it me ask you but you can't go and tell Togbe say players motivation about from them pamom the moment you do that they say you are ignorant. And Ken, the Amiens so money more. Yes, the American they even know better than me. But only say players back up. Nafu fraba no money scantino. Among them. 80 minutes, Dr. Kwame Chan, 80 because of sad no be international and a bit to scan. Ken, so what I say? Some of your management members are more school ya Jimudi sa born my be obiaba 7, obiaba 10, obiaba 12. Me yini pa 2 way free. Na some be catch their own and say players motivation akọ from ti yam pam omo a hyehyela na betua na say Kotoko adwuma manage na me ne obe Kotoko adwuma manage omo ye dey adwuma be no obi anya hwe se me yinko futu omo nya hwe de che me de omo ye dey problem ki tuwa bi ba ombe solve yo yam pam it's exactly what and your omo influence again say oba kin Kakabono Mr. Kakabono na kasai esi ya chino I was say on much in fast. The entire can I say a friend for questioning the says. On no ya accomplice. Also says let nim referees ni baby or more. And I said me nim baby a referee na ba me say ken. Match where but when person me ko who referees. Now who your referee who nim the ethics who nim the ya yenye. No one leading me out come one says ken na wo be in their own reporting. Until says like us or Jinisika and Kawanka. Ken. And ya san so amauska. I know I saw much. 2 air referees no. Ken bribe and as a 1 year. you reject it and report. And I would say, yeah, you report. But one day, fan to hot me and more born, my ding check, one reporting every scanning show. Wabra me ba say, hey, when the Jimmy Sick, I was half an hour reporting. No, it's never done. Watch it. And I would say, so we the only thing is a born. I go to a Kotoko and I know. It in common G and I no more reporting Yanka King or Massam a day. But one year this cannot to Eddie Subi. Guess what? The next ball we crown. Maybe I'll go back to Master Kotoko 5. Until no more share one sanity. 80 and also a see a friend. No, say, 10 see a friend. Because a Jumana Wedino, a criminal, see a friend. Your friend, I see a friend of Dr. Kwame Che. Kill me, there's ever. And yes, I no crown and no crown, no memo. Sakis, how that is what good any party now, Chim, and I'll say, much on the way, and I'm so. Many Andy, they could try. What do we do? As your friend, ain't it with all due respect, doctor, meaning say, but as your friend, doctor, because the dear Ben non suinano. It is a young fresh uncle for 4 years to see Adia, and there's a Ghana football a concert near. And it came my cousin, we are come, say, bedroom baby, Yamian, Vega, overcosted and any patre, nipa two network. And Katama nas the way by. Nka born bokres o gentia na me ma so make us a born body enjai 2 years time near boyen sisa ni o man nko fo ntemase no ma said am a player bia because a comedy aduane ye den aduane ye den Ghana ni pe aduane kura sen ne nkwa ye pe aduane sen o man ye se ye nyame somfo ye fast nyame kopon ye fast 40 days 40 nights ye hu obi hu say I so ati ade wungidi aduane ye den what is aduane king me we finally mami for we so soon we
Okay.
king Ghana football club level ye begu ye hu enu ase sa di say Yesu aba unim de entia say o share teams na omone kotoko core group na eye Zesco Nkana ne Hilal eba finances obi aye better than kotoko king so what I say. It is all the finances na ehwe na say baby edi na ye call ho na ye bedi because what I know they say Zesco ne kotoko match na Zesco en qualify no on ma Zesco for $2,500 for your friend is a winning bonus and that $2,500 for the match or mon qualify no and the total amount of per them a kotoko receive for the whole of the campaign kin one baby a difference na ba. It is an human kitten ye na ye come muntie na ye no na de am yan king omu we ya no mo de abes wa ye media for say ye na ye say Ghana football me boa yen ya ye den sabe ya kom obi abobo me abeka se wa mobo ana kotoko asa na house obi ase me aka se obo we o man sha na mu cho na mu tuatua bribe mu na de am yan say nkofo we wa bom din so onyo mo ni asofofo na nam a so mo ni asori a omo ko asori King, my fancy here.
Okay. First one. Go about Braka Cray.
Patron, me back complex one pa.
Okay.
Yeah. And first of all, my member has to folk for Abaso. Because I believe in credit to where credit is due. As for folk league na Ebochemo, first round and open one of the poorest performing team na Accra as of folk. But in this special cup, they've really surprised me. Or what surprising me, the consistency is there. 25 points, 8 wins, 17 goals scored, 10 goals difference. And I have so for Kekitomo. So Yembo Kim Grant in the team now Abaso. It's certain. It's almost certain. Hasselfolk will be in the next round of the competition, and I'm tipping them now to make it to Africa. And with the sort of team, the football or mobile, now to the hot issue. 26. And I Santo Kotoko bought the game against Asek. So Seoul Kotoko warm up to that game. It's very negative. The news about Kotoko in the past 2 weeks is negative. Poor results on the field. Amosapon pulled gun at the Golden City Park. He has been slapped with 6-man ban from all football-related activities in the country. That was damaging to the reputation and also the brand of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. So when you wake up today and you wake up to the news that Sheshela, who is closer to Dr. Kwame Che, tries to bribe referee a friend or Ali Mohammed or whether say we bribe no for Kotoko Ash Gold game, which is a regional derby, then it even has more injuries to the already damaged reputation of Asante Kotoko in the past 14 days. In the first place, you will be a friend standard of proof in football. FIFA case bano uremwa. The standard of proof of FIFA use is not criminal. You use common sense and the total. Me say 10 year pa. And criminal standard of proof. Because criminal standard of proof, you have to prove beyond every single reasonable doubt with solid facts. Jeo Lante was banned from Ghana. Ghana referee. FIFA man on lifetime ban. FIFA investigation no more, Amantima establishes so Obi man is cow, no. A common sense no more to say. I didn't know, say Bobby got to get a penalty there. What is car? And the FIFA standard of proof, ethics committee says, any criminal over football, Mudiana, you use so common sense. What the total to say, where do I? And Shishla acted as an intermediary. And to say a bet Kotoko so and Papa so mutia whether Shishla is official of Kotoko or not, and no, is not part of the issue. Otiae is he closer to Dr. Kwame? Yes, and the Kotoko Asempa. If we're able to answer these questions, because it's not normal, say Shishla out of his own volition on one Kasatio. Na Shishla Kasampo so 80 million. No, 80 million, medical jam referee. Support a man or Ghana by a type of system. It's not common. And in the first place, let's establish was contact made according to voice ATA. Yanka will say names have been mentioned in this single voice. The first name that was mentioned was what? Kokwao. Second name, Shishela. Third name, Onwa Kasa do Kasa eno. Nidin the Kakabo Mensa, a former referee. So 3 names have been mentioned. Yatiba Coupe. Mepese met the other 2 no. Almost on account of the story, almost part of the story. And na betima menya an informed opinion about the case in no. But that's the stance now. Yebe kasa based on the only voice of Kakabo Mensa. Na saba okan any debate na so. But then yes, and yebe you say they determine this case no. I say timi tishela so. Say Timothy Nenka. Na see. Na Kokwa na didn't so PM no. Obi be say when e Kokwa no. Kokwa is somebody who is a friend to Techiman 11 Wonders. Or Bentim no, he's not an official. Inti enu ampona Kokwa or Babaya Sports Stadium. Go Techiman 11 Wonders official. Onu na Shishla kosi no so. Ano ka tell no, una onim Kakabo Mensa. Retired referee no. Because Kakabo Mensa no reputation me organ ha patron. Say you bribe party Obia new channel. Yes. He's an expert. Kakabo Mensa. What is your man if you be a bribe bia? Now who will say referee or Kahubi? Yeah, no one time job or no lead. No on social. I no question so on lead. No go referee friend Ali Alasan on an assistance no na Kotoko Ash Gold. Aso make is from Kakabo Mensa. Na account na account o. No so omo ko no, omo ko Tamale, ono Shishla de ne car ba Techiman ho. Ono Kakabo Mensa because he's based in Techiman. And omo free Techiman ko Tamale, and omo ko see a referee Ali Alhassan. No omo do ono Mensa say politics be afiem ho. This football bribe with the auto politics better asama.
The referee talking like that.
So na see announce the you politics ho. It you be say who na Shishla be kasa maybe some the politics na color be
Black.
Because announce the politics na black.
Black man.
And to say ono Kakabo Mensa no won hu ade a na wo politics nim. Sikanu onim amount of the money na wo politics nim. No say Shishla so mbiem ankan anche referee Ali Alhassan. Ano the politics ni say referee ni nsam. Na referee no say mbiem ankan e wo ho. So here we meet our first doubts, which is how much was really in that polythene bag. Shishla didn't open it there. The referee didn't open it there. So how do you agree that it is 80 million? This is the first doubt, patron. Now you got the second issue. Open your friend on Kokwao. Kakabo Mensah so on na de ne nam techiman say referees no essence omu kodi game na kotoko win nti omu di sika na ba back e de ba Kakabo Mensah no so on fam re sesela na Kakabo no atena so anything na for so ba Kakabo Mensah ba bonti o kasa no yes so you who be asem no echo. Let me say that this case has not been determined and you need the relevant facts at hand. So yentimi determine yentimi embua for we can't do that. You better not more facts of the case no Abba. But what is certain is very clear that reputation of Kotoko and that of Dr. Kwame Kyei, for the very fact that Sisela is a close person to Dr. Kwame Kyei, and everybody knows this fact. Obenepa and to only the PM in this particular case, you know, is serious. And Sisela from all effort, and you say you try to say you try to say friend unyano. So let's establish that. Before Sebeba, I try to get Koko also the side of the story, also friend unyano. So far the only person who has been able to come out to speak on the issue is Kakabo Mensah, because also so true. Because Koko ane de nam so wa disikano so mo 8,000 there. All no fa and find any bottom. So he is forced to come out to make this this statement, you know, allegation. Now assembly in any and as assembly see me a part of the person I'm present ka yente some of these issues. You better point come make kakra. But right from that competition, Yababe William in the special cup, no. I quite question all the big negative news in our football now. It's about Kotoko. I must upon no train. It is the biggest news. And for so many years, you who be that? Serious. So the question to Wako Titu, pay. Dabi, Yanya sa. And I'm okay, Samson Ladi Ainen. Oh, me this in the chair. Oh, kind of planet Romo. Yanya sa. And FIFA man so support. And to wait so about the camo, Echo Basse no crepa. If a big if it is true that Dr. Kwame Kyei said or this kind of man Sisela, so Uncle Tiana Kotoko Winia, he does not deserve to continue as the chairman of Asante Kotoko.
Yes, sir.
Oh yes.
Why not?
Immediately. That is if and only if opinion in a set and Otia says can this says can Emma Sisela, so Uncle Tiasa bribe no. Attempt to bribe his bride. It says can momo or man fa momo is an attempt to bribe. Now yembra another issue so we share this particular issue one kasa the Sisela side, the Dr. Kwame Kyei side, the Kumasi Asante Kotoko side. So Kotoko in here a bribe no betima say as good. We will also on the pitch. As good were the better team. Patron, we are restricted say be making judgment, but I feel very sad for Ghana football. Yes, we are very sad for Ghana football. Because opinion to us the authority or they cannot say he has given facts. Can Sisela de buy wama chronology of the events in Ina and all that. Wow, as some can say Ghana football.
Remember we are some few minutes ago. We introduced TCL Electronics. What do you TCL first for you? My culture say TCL, and so a company can see a part of home appliances and I'm dealing. Now, I'm man wants a TCL brand, you know. On my television, so crowded. So, we have picture quality TCL. A picture quality and yagro. When I got a television, I throw TCL. We said air quality in the city. Some air conditions, air fridges, about water dispensers, washing machines. Nini na obenya biato. And so we TCL fast for you. TCL my culture is an American company. A young name, a footballer, no, or no any other brand ambassador. And Pamonia money be a bepo. We'll do a year to bell points against the loans. I have told the number and I don't TCL for only TCL Electronics for Yajma. You know, so one a bepo. Fresh 054625 8047 054625 8047. What first salon on some campaign for no, na BBPI come and spread your amount. Na my man for we and San Tosoma say GB1 Roofing Company Limited. Yaka GB1 Roofing Company Limited. A more long span roofing sheets, a more strip sheets or a more allo zinc. IPL standard omo nails PVC rain gutters omo IDT and cell block omo quality roofing sheets and the old diner will post so new site so what to make use GB1 roofing company limited omo chance any be so money money papa we use so money money check now we see some crowd former omo enso omo pay structure so what you say the payment plan omo de be ma no je an omo be hin han wo na wo twa kakra na de aboard and so na bi GB1 roofing company limited my culture and chance papa fear no from 054012 3211 0540 3211 what first all that on the campaign for no abra champion oh 2 minutes
na de na make say me ka say we there's this story. Bribery scandal rocks Ghanaian powerhouse Asante Kotoko. Soccer net na ese ya.
I'm sorry.
Some na make.
Also Kotoko official. Allegedly bribed kickgh.com. Match fixing scandal.
It is a bus here na. Pick over.
So Abbas is here
because they call Africa
Confederations group stage.
It's especially maybe on countries to say Libya. Omoko Sudan, Omoko Zambia, Omoko Congo, Omoko Cameroon, and Omoko Kenya. Into those 4 countries.
Kotoko share Africa. Why did 2? Champions League 2. So we're not talking about the powerhouse in African football. Kotoko count. Kotoko is the club of the century. That is recorded. So bribery scandal Rokewa. International news. That's why South America says bribery scandal hit Santos. Acha 24 hours. I bet you tell yourself an engine. Because when you're talking about key players in free Ghana, I'm making history with the blasters. Bebrezu free Kotoko. And you got to Razak free. Even the Pukunti this second. When you are talking about African best, then you got to free. Baba ya Kotoko. The list goes on and on. Reverend Oseko. So the history of Kotoko is big. It's a bribery scandal Rokewa. I find the say Bianca South Africa bia Mamelodi Sanders hit in 24 hours. Other continental newspapers and websites were picking. So when at the moment they be free, come on, everybody says let the afro. But the international world will not be talking about Seychelles. They will be talking about a big club in Ghana. Bribe. And that is why I was calling on the management of Kotoko to bring out a statement as soon as possible.
It was a corridor.
Because I can't do it when name Seychelles. And I can't. What do you 24 hours. Both the BBC very report story. BBC will report this story. The big website will report it. Now you want to Kroma was it Steven Sappho? Oh, no, a policeman. Later, be Blasters player. It was all over the world. The news about Ghana go far. Any little news, it will travel. I must upon thereby. What do you say? It was on the international media. And it bribery scandal. Claudia will change will be a to an attempt to bribe, especially after an accident. It's simple. So the image of Kotoko in the international world will be affected. Into the Kotoko communication department and the Kotoko management must react to it.
And then they say, "Omo ni more."
Can who ever only more saying?
Omo babo nti ade no make.
The image of the club is being affected outside. You have to be proactive. You have to come out with something. They have to bring something.
Because of international.
Now the reality is, Seychelles and your precise manager of Kotoko. That is the reality. Book Mudiani. Book Mudiani to say on Kotoko management members. On Mudiani no. You can book once now. When you are talking about image, book once. Book Mudiani on Kamo. Book Mudiani say. On the cancer Dr. Kwame Chey and a man is even to some extent, he improved the enemy so ben. As a young President Nana Kufuor. I say, Mama Miss Kamet Makonando, the man 5, but me 3, me a master and Subi, because Nanny, no Akakan. Then the government will also come and say, yeah, maybe.
Oh, Kona now has and Kaka.
Oh, see, as soon as Kaka and Anado. What I say? But they will come out and deny it. Whether they no cry, no crow, or must save their image. It's the moment to be going internet so about bribery. No, you also see a release from Kotokwa, a distancing from that particular issue.
Okay, Andy. What you already did? Say it's not about you will come at the yin said team no Sicily way by international media. Omono omunim who omunim one is omunim why they know Kotoko until omo report one. BBP on Metro Biano is about Santa Kotoko. It is a team no say a year omo release statement says any panocran you no or no cry you baby coffee.
Okay. Asemba de Laurentiis ho and then Napoli the report about what stopped Dr. Kwamichi or Penika say what he say ya bold din say o this scam obi say go to Abraham safu ko ni mo hwe it mo na kan ni mo hwe na Kwami ni mo hwe first of all wa mu om wan fo mo anyeche o so om na mfa dey let him out na Dr. Kwamichi na ken what stopped me from calling a press conference and I'm not I
your uncle is also true but there's doctor and there's Kotoko.
And the fact is that Dr. Kwamichi represents the Kotoko team.
Good. So
no. When you mean Kasa radio for from me, I mean Kasa review. Okay. Well, maybe you are focused not lightly. But in a serious country, and we think where politics are. And can this in before now your press conference have no panel again need 2 minutes.
But I got back and say it's a bribery. At this stage, you make club to say anybody a club with. Say no question why you're resign.
Of course. If it's been proven, say, doctor had a link to do with it there, he must step down. But now proven by, so they must fight it.
They said Cecily.
Yes, Cecily now, doctor.
I'm dealing with the message first. The point I'm making is that if anybody wants to come out, it is not the Koto money.
Are you Kotoko man?
Most of the come and now Kotoko phone this kit.
Maybe also Dr. Kwamichi Babonti. I release it. Still, baby, I release it just because now me
I'm not calling for release.
And I saw no the Caribbean or international media. And you'll be the Didia Quabi. And I will come watching with you. But the point is that a body said, baby, at the end of the on when you know Dr. Kwamichi, Sicily, Kosa referees, Obiano Babomodi. It's about Santiago Football Club. What's a Bohela?
What's a bribery scandal rocks powerhouse Asante Ghanaian powerhouse Asante Kotoko.
It is our Adrichi. Who began how was info way
and I'm saying that the management members will not come out with any release because
they have to do that.
They don't because they were not respected. Okay, we they wada. Well, more, me say okay. What for Dojamo? Because all in the year Juma. What for Monaco all in the year Juma? Nana come move from Accra to Kumasi. Can look at the risk involved. Not Cecily and a Bayer Kotoko operating director. I would say and Benifo and Valet out for what? Me being convincing for what? Lawyer Safuduku ya Kotoko PR. He is not aware of all these issues. So don't follow them out forward. Being convincing forward.
In this case, because Kotoko is a body. Kotoko is a body that can be sealed and can seal. But for any part, I bet me not court. Yeah, the Kotoko court. And a Kotoko so and Kasa any part. Obet me do be a court. And in this case, Nipa they have found some Kotoko mobile. Obi SC, and this is paper. He is not the operations manager. So Kotoko as a body.
And not somebody about Sakwan crying.
They didn't know.
Kotoko cannot say that.
The statement. Only on pay rules. Only on where you be as well. Sanet, yes, I am Razzle.
Yeah.
For the qua, only he so on the position. Yeah, they're trying to go back to the statement. Say, no more, no more dealing case, you know.
Yes,
yeah. So, me say, the Momo can you book Moody? Me say, Omo farmer net, Etina, the next day, and the rest came in farmer news here. Just 2 minutes. Oh, said over the Murray. Maso was talking about motivation. So, we are a player. Obibo 11 wonders a blaster a cup of nation. Obibo Abiana starts a blaster a cup of nation. Obibo in Thailand a blaster a cup of nation. What stopped you as a player to motivate yourself on the field of play? Now you don't hope on the Fatah was having good. When a cup of nation, your uncle. and on to this will be a very motivating and son of Fatawa, you know, King, as of Enra. There were names in the Kotoko team likely to make the provisional list. Emmanuel Jemfi, Fatao, Kwame Conte, Felix Anai, 4 players out of Enra. So we be a free to Nakoya. A part of the Black Stars squad next week. Sawe this is a cocoa two on what Nasi. I'm motivated to almost Oko African. I can't cover Blaster. I almost coaching Kasaya Hunye. You see, Kesha. I am called Blaster and met you on the 23 camp. Omkoha. Now, coach is in the moment in report.
Okay, let's see.
Yeah, patron. Question on the referees. Referees no voice na boy and Kakabo Mensa. Or see referees no more from referees in so my use to Sikano. Oh yeah, also my use to Sikano. Also my use to Sikano.
For 1 week, where you see it?
Referees are 4.
Patron, we are 4.
Referees 4.
And your center referee go.
Referees
5.
And I'm more 1 week can be 8,000. Oh, 4 days screen for
So and the mention of the referees, Kakabo Mensa, short to me today, how many are they? Because 2 of them are referees, 3 of them are referees. So also no, you better say the specifics, center referee need the account be. And on the referees, so much is canon. Question number 1, omo report to the Referees Association of Ghana. And I say
some discussion on their platform.
And the referees also referees no say almost record they say do record and answer you by to money down to be from on be no dey aye but say sika na mo dey to ho and o man bon painful amanye within that time ni na ebesi na let us ma so ma dunu pise o mo di sika na di so that is the first question. Another thing here an access for say na buy no ewie no who say kotoko the release be buy statement akotoko dey buy no o mo say an answer go o mo team no ntia bribe Kotoko NAS statement to the buy. Kotoko, yes. I said Nana Koka was behind that. He wrote that. Statement to the buy, no. Kotoko prints the bulletins, no. But you are much say, and I don't know the Kotoko. One go Kotoko Humfli. Na Kotoko tell me a concron or muntia bribe. And this way na bano. Say I am no cra. Pato when they can last you said 2 minutes and soon you.
2 minutes. We don't try to have a trust because a lot. Now, Maso,
yeah, no
problem.
Mini problem. Okay. So I'm afraid of Kachi. No more fresh Kakabo. No more fresh Shishila. Any referees, no. Area. DC, no. So I'm from Area. So more yes, I need them so more serious. For mine, yes, I know so more serious. Again, management member. Anything as here from it should be investigated. So more, yeah, and sure, but it could be someone who has it. Because I see you. Can you hear? Management members no omuntie e so mo protect omo penny. Yeah adwuma wa han. Nyame fasa bibi ba we need to protect our CEO.
Oh yes.
We don't just get up and say one respect enti. Na just omo so e bi up ye yi na ma na. Eh no. Because doctor e betumi afre no obekọ ne e beka so onye eboni bia what happens? Me be pam. Me support ya sana make na sia. Enti yensi pohu say papa na ye boni onye boni. They need to protect their CEO. It is so many statement e dey ba no mo disassociate yourself because the statement number na say no kromo kotua. Enti dia me we come no e say statement eba. Na finally no e bi kra doctor beko DC no. Ni aka so onye boni. It is a moka say one respect mo. Kin so what say omunnim ho hwe enti mo mfa mba na say papa no kra mo no. E dey me a enti na me ka say nanka me yi nana kwame ne your friend Mr. Aka e say me pam omun nyina ne yanka me pam omun nyina afiri ho because they need to do the right thing.
Maswell.
Yeah,
Nana Ese.
Yes.
Maswell Nana Ese. Okay. As for yes me. Na boko dey so boko. What you say? Okay. Na so money me yesterday.
I say lego no yegusu ya yebo. And no me kofa go from ado e kafa am hono. Ama improve ho year pa. We say the was nas ko ne man Samsung ni media bo hono ma. I think say nema ho pa ye be ko hono. Especially ya fast ne cancel ne man ko to be fast. Hasso folk no ye win a match ye Karela no ye shia papa ye shia pa boss no ye shia say I'm see a group na fo me bomb pass obi nsia Karala for no show mu players na we hear Ampem da Costa no say was na oni as a queen na Emmanuel Kayeke ase nwa no we share na tenteni popo be pe but your team no magina say me no I board rock ranka still like our team na bass but your team anya win nti your team na bass on Grant and then need you Fred more amon year na your team still are you need here say you improve team no we say bomb mo but you wie because you wie bass me fan na ade they say House of Folk this year team bomb mo na team a top group no and I wish so qualification there say you are qualified that because your group na me baby ya da no you lose match you cry but they say your top group no the next man you ne kara Elimina Sharks if you are near dreams you have finish one na you see you try be over this second and I near na bo na issues bu ha ya nka say you hwedin ne myself Ghana for you hwedin on normalization committee no on say brother send me akosi obechem o man ka ho hwe president abisi ya bo na sumba ba ko 6 eno bo kotokodi minister kotoko letters in 6 into ya bo na sumbu o say kotoko na my brother o man yedin o man ka ho hwe on say maka asasem but ade no e coven na woni say akwade en ba ya no won say da no ayi de emo support na mo say kotoko mpanfo no mo yi na mani kwa some time dabi en kan say kotoko the first person mo ba amo suspend na answer akwade en ba ho na report no e House of Folk ya na report akwa aziz mo na report no ayi Nima police station enti asem bo ha ya me defend won say o panel no ka say e shisila eni kwa say ka de ma shisila na che some party say anka brave no ko fo mo bi kotu ada the first person is enya right see you to bribe enya nu kwase boka se eye shislan enu kwase nke fa ma shislan kotua enka se ye dealer ye deal very sensible pass eye enu kwa price you to bribe Ghana ha dia ye ya ma de o se opanyini free Ghana football e se ye hutim bia o to bribe se ye boyfriend match mo se tu nel pe ai anas ba ye has mu win match biam anas ba ye mu win match biam se papa no so free ho no so ye hu onkwafo mo to bribe o mo ko bechem sa tetima 11 wonders o mo si wo se omu ni keeper no ade kwaya keeper no fast consider sa go so wo nyini ni ade to ka sa ene wo so ya san ti say koto wa kotu bribe it means that's what you are doing oh it enu kwase ya so nti I say normalization computer on out awia ya ayi esi chairman Kofi Amwa ena dan Kwaku ya bo a go so man about let the team bi ko ya we no man masa ya suspend obi because ena na madam ka say obi akasa ni aduma ba no 1 year no obi atutuo no ma mo huru mo na must ba na 6 months ti wonu kwa man ni ba so man san chiratu into the sub brab you say you ko go free ayi because FIFA actually sir e so mo ko third division and second division e sa na tie
e yo refesio so mo koi
Ken
also what to say
we want Ken
also dia na ka wa
ni problem mi pia lo kasa bi kwa na man Ken na me ade ha me ni say Ken e we de u se dan me be tu dwa say mami bi pemi mami phone no etutu omo ye phone anyi
phone
anyi mi koka kire ba mi na mami so di wo sere mi a phone be ya me pisika kuto bi so eno
so
phone 1.5 de o sere
ene no body
we de kakra we de on pisika 1.5 kakra me phone kakra na me pe phone bia ele bi de mami anu bi na pe mami na di aje wo sere mi a no so de me de ma na nyi e di ati fo tim na obi opema sem ne se obeto opu bia ba jama ma me kakra no eni me jama no Ken me no di komo bi ha am ka se wo se Accra Spook ye start ya ye boba no
ye boko
ka ye team no
fanko ba
she team ye bo fa ko ba bo
mobile phone
no mo sire se we de heart edu na me ka do se wo ka se nya penalty ana me ka do se ye check it from ye sharp
temna tre
ana be de am se tie ye bobo no mo se ye ne Karala obu be ha o mo so be ha Ken mi de US mi ko se enne mi we wo o yire kwa na oni ni atokwa na ne kuna wo bansiri bia ko foto asene wa ho yire bebu mas e bi na Karala ko bi e
anu am bobo ko mu ho ya
papa
mu bobo
eyi ye fi kromani
yangu ye
e be hu pocha ne fi eyi o wo be hu pocha ne fi kromani e ko fo o ba kran o ba Monday
ya mo ni brabre no
o mo ni brabre o ba Monday
place na so papa
yesu ni se na ko fu bia to bo ye sesi ye tie be hu ne te enka niam ya afiase na ade eye me ye ye no so bo aba so sesi de kolai esi ye nyina ye de ni ase omo se penalty amoji ye no enye penalty omo coach no o si tiase
na ko intervene tia
ende ball no di etie na du ba bia no kura na sa
dubious
ye play ball ye second ball shot to 18 na o be si so a de se ni 18 na outside na ka ba gidi e ye foul na ba je na 18 na
tia ko nkasa bro fu ni to
eti o so wo je
has pay place in the yard here.
Tell me 3
Only present to Swama. Walk away penalty. Now different than you depend on 1 yard here. Obi bo so to 18 more. Yes so.
Yeah, boy sentiment bravo.
Walk so. Ama eniema jitemu. Etike. Baby akra so go ya. Somebody kaka you say here Man City. Ni eni nabo. If you Ghana tibie nu a, ye ni boy ho beto ye. The Man City. Akra so ye Man City ni eni nabo.
No mo England no.
Do mo gi league no.
The rain style mo.
Wo mo yi omo Pep Guardiola. Nkola no mo hasabo. If Ghana has a tibie nu a, ye ni boy ho beto ye. Ye bobo no ye be ko ho. Ye ko England.
England no.
Ye be say ko England. I didn't get ko England no.
Anthony Kaboni
no goal bia amahas say Ghana football eboy wo hwe obi na ni agibia o so bia ha supporter se bo awon nka
no kra
wo ha supporter ti ni age kotoko na sitila na hwan na hwan wo se sa de na abubo ba no
edin we tapie brab mpa
ade amubo ba no
Anthony Kabo
kotoko ne Zesco so ba kaya oh ene we qualify ye ya de English puno ko ene ye de FIFA problem so ba ka mi kan wa FIFA problem a
tie brab Africa ku tia
bechem he presenter ye buno
sis
ya buno ene ye no kura
nye yaya
me de sisila na sisila ko ba dia o techima ho
asa kwata mele prampo
na techima ni no idi ye de ba mu eti no mu 11 wonders no omo share 3 no
how much was that 3
omo share if God permit no say nya me pa from game ai omo share 3 no emi ti mo share sa no
waka house se ba we
ai me mu ko ko mu kakra
do mo ya na nyo do mo ya na nya abi ya ma
do mo ya na nya
do mo ya na nya sa ya ka
do mo bo nyina no enyo ma ho ni no mo ni bo enu na ye ya no be ka cho tete team ya ye
si ko fo
to sa ko ze abam
e so mo bi ya FIFA yi ko ko
ye de se se kanu mbedi ye so be di first no mo na Poland di o mo prepare e be sa to
bravo no mo to na nya e de sa mo ka chiro no ka
na pejuma ba
ni ko mi hu no ene ya gi no ka ko ba sa no
na baba
na de hu
ma mi si mi to be ni o ze na de
ene ya fire sa de ya hu no we dia
hey o be so ko fo ai e de team de ya ye de fo no dia to sa ai e de amodi a ko to kura no ye enu akwa ball mo yi ball no mo yi
du be no ball
u se du be bi
o fo ma na mu
u se du be bi na sa le ti o u se du be bi o mo ni edane
no kra de
oh no kra so mo friend
ka se bo friend match
yeah ka se friend match ye mo
ba du de so de bo
o mo ni bo friend match ye mo de ma ye se mo se edu bi ne kotoko o mo ni ye ko dem no mo wure ho a no mo ba bo ti apata dia se ye yo mo mbe bi so ball kwa ye mo se o ye nkola no mo ye ba se ni mo bo friend match se no ya no mo to board mo se si nana
lion nose
nana se na de na ko no na nye papa
sa
mika cho nana se nana mi ebre bi mi ya se petu if you go ni ma se miswa o fi bi obu okrum
yeah
flat boys contest no si abon o si abon so mo si ni and o se so ni obi obi dan sa bi ti na enum na me yare na me ma na amafo be ka de bia ebi obi abaji e wo ho nti na te ade obi na ni ji ho dia
okay
o friend no mo we ya na sabeka 0248 583653 0248 583653
okay
ne sabeka
okay
efie ni ye enko ba bia ho na oba nso na ye nko ka no ba e be dan ma bi
lion nose
na na brofo apparently apparently me catch man me tunes no me catch me down and na wo ka say
apparently ba ka bu na apparently
na apparently oh emu da ho apparently emu da ho unu say enu say yi your president uko ayifie no put ufiri o send put ya aba baby o ma yi told gold o mu yenko ya traffic light on oh say school for na atwa wachia say o mu so ma be part de
sa
man mi ka se bi ya sika odi ka koto mna so sire no se oye ya on pack the car nansa na
apparently so emuda ho because
emuda ho
enchirase no ne emuda ho no ase ya bibi
oh ani
adibe ni
o say apparently
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 I did some